Hello everyone, let's provide the solution to this problem. We have a to the power of 3 plus a equal to 30. Now every time you have a problem like this and you have to solve it completely, it means that you should try to rearrange it so that you can have something like this on the other side. See what I mean? I'm going to have a to the power of 3 plus a equal to here. I can pick out 27 plus 3 as 30. Then if I continue with this, I will be having a to the power of 3 plus a to be equal to 3 to the power of 3 plus 3. I think we can see this very well. But then we have to solve it completely, meaning that we are not going to get just one solution. If not, we already have our solution already. But then, because we are solving this completely, we are going to do this. A to the power of 3. This will come here, we have minus 3 to the power of 3. Let's deal with this separately. Then plus a, which is this. Then this comes here to become minus 3. Let's have this, and everything will be equal to 0. So that from here now, we are going to deal with this. If you have x to the power of 3 minus y to the power of 3, this is the same thing as x minus y into x squared plus xy plus y squared. Okay, so we're going to apply this same standard here right away, so that our x minus y becomes a minus 3. Then x squared is a squared plus xy is 3a. Then plus y squared will now be 3 squared, right? So I'll write 3 squared here. Close this. Plus open bracket, we have a minus 3, and everything is equal to 0. A minus 3 into a squared plus 3a plus 9, then plus a minus 3 is equal to 0. And as it is, we have a minus 3 as a common factor. So let's factor it out. A minus 3 is factorized out. Then in here, I will have this, which is a squared plus 3a plus 9. Okay, this is what we have in there. And then plus here, the whole of this has come out, but 1 will be left over since we are dividing. Then we close this and equate it to 0. Now, a minus 3 into a squared plus 3a, then plus 9 plus 1 is 10, so we write plus 10. Close this, and everything is equal to 0. From here, we can apply our 0 product rule. Remember, this is a, not 9. Now, from here, a minus 3 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 0 plus 3, and our a is equal to 3. So this is the real solution to the equation. But then, since we are solving this completely, we'll pick this quadratic expression and equate it to 0. A to the power of 2 plus 3a plus 10 is equal to 0. And then from here, we are going to get our quadratic formula, right? So the formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This is the formula. And for this formula, our b is a coefficient of a, which is 3. Our a is the coefficient of a squared here, so it's going to be 1. And then c is 10. So our x will be minus 3 plus or minus square root of b squared, which will be 3 squared, minus 4 times a is 1 times c, which is 10. And all of this will be over 2 times 1 because a is 1. Now x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus, we have 3 squared is 9, minus 4 times 1 times 10 is 40. And the whole of this is over 2 times 1, which is still 2. Yeah. So now x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus, and we have 9 minus 40, which will give 31. But negative 31 rather. So this will be over 2. But remember that we cannot find the square root of negative 31. So what we'll do is I can just take out the negative this way. X is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 31 multiplied by square root of negative 1. Okay, if you multiply this and this, you're going to have negative 31. And all of this will be over 2. And from here again, what can we understand? We can say that x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus, we have square root of 31. I don't want us to have decimal number, so let's leave this. Then multiply by I, because square root of negative 1 is I, and all of this is over 2. Now let's rearrange this. We're going to begin from here. Our first a, which is a1, is equal to 3. Then we're going to have a2, which will be picked from our last solution. Going to pick it from here. We have minus 3 plus 31. Okay, we're going to have minus 3 plus I square root of 31. Remember, the I is no longer under the square root, and we divide by 2. And then our I3 will be equal to minus 3 minus I root 31, and this is over 2. So these are the 3 solutions to the equation. Thank you for watching.